In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze columns in Google Sheets. Freezing columns is really helpful when you're working with large spreadsheets and you don't want to lose sight of important information, like names, dates, or IDs as you scroll to the right. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to freeze and unfreeze columns so your data is easier to read and work with. First, open your Google Sheet and decide which columns you want to keep visible at all times. For example, let's say you want to freeze columns A and B so they stay in place while you scroll through the rest of your data. To do that, click any cell in the column immediately after the last column you want to freeze. So if you want to freeze A and B, click any cell in column C. It doesn't matter which row you pick as long as the cell is in that column. This step tells Google Sheets, freeze everything up to the column just before this one. Now, look at the top of your screen and click on the View menu in the menu bar. When the drop-down menu appears, move your mouse over the option labeled Freeze. Don't click yet, just hover your mouse so the Freeze submenu opens. In that submenu, you'll see several choices. Select the option that says Up to Column followed by a letter such as Up to Column B. If you clicked in column C earlier, you should see Google Sheets suggest freezing up to column B. Click that option. As soon as you do, you'll notice a bold gray line appear between columns B and C, and when you scroll to the right, columns A and B will stay locked in place. If you ever want to change your mind and unfreeze the columns, it's just as simple. Go back to the top of the screen and click View again. Hover over Freeze just like before. This time, choose the option that says No Columns. Once you click that, the gray line will disappear, and all columns will scroll normally again. That's all there is to it. Click a cell just after the columns you want frozen, go to View, then Freeze, and choose Up to Column for the columns you need. And when you're done, return to the same menu and select No Columns to reset everything.